Hey, hi. With respect to website cloner, I want to share with you the exact progress, right? So, it's live in beta in our own testing accounts, and we are testing it internally. By the way, just yesterday we also made cookie consent live, so you can start running and adding cookies to your relevant projects. Let me take you inside. This is how it is going to be. I just picked a couple of random pages from the internet. In fact, this is a page like I just went to ad library and searched for multiple URLs. I found a couple of URLs. So this is one URL which I found. I don't know about this site. I have no idea whose this site is. Just for the purpose of random testing, okay? And no other intention to copy or clone this particular website or business. So I have added this URL, and if you can see, this is the cloned version, which it seems that it has perfectly cloned. And let's also do it for one more, and let's go to the editor of both. So this is one more, like it's seems to be on ClickFunnels, and if I clone this, okay, and this one Dawn voice is already cloned, so we can go ahead and publish this. Let's see how it comes. I will pick a random project, maybe Diet Plan ebook. Okay, publish. And the other one, okay, this one was pretty quick. Yeah, small site. Okay, let's see, publish that plan ebook. Lean plants. Okay, so I guess this is done. Open published page. Okay, looks pretty much sorted. This is on ClickFunnels right now. But the important part is the drag and drop editor. Let's go to the project. Let's refresh. Okay, so this is clone of Dawn voice. Let's open this in a new tab, and this is clone on lean. Let's open this one. So yeah, it looks pretty much on the right track, but some detailed testing is supposed to be done. And after a lot of detailed testing, I mean, just yesterday we made the cookie consent live, so the team was totally involved in that, the whole testing team and all. So things are lined up one by one. Yeah, okay. So this looks okay, cool. This is also in the editor. This is also in the editor. It is matching the button properties. Fine. This one is also matching the button properties. Good. What else? This is a background image. There is some image, I believe, over here. Okay, so this level. Okay, some video. Okay, so video cannot be imported. So video, you will have to put the URL. Yeah, the color combination and all is also nice. The exact content, good. Okay, this seems to be some GIF which has been copied right over here. So this is sorted, this is sorted, this is sorted. Yeah, it looks pretty much like on the right track. But again, before giving any ETA, we'll have to still figure out the final, like the detailed testing is still pending. So like I said, just yesterday the detailed testing for the cookie consent and all got finished, and multiple testing is pending, including this. So we are going to be getting started with this. But yeah, like from the dev team, it looks pretty much on the right track. That's what I can see, right? And after the testing team test, maybe there are going to be a few scenarios that we will be able to encounter, and once we sort out those scenarios, then I guess we are good to go. Okay, let's have a look at this page. So yeah, this is there, this is there, this is there. This image is there. This image has moved to the left, but it's okay, like simple moving over here. This form is here. What else? Okay, all the images are there. Yeah, I guess we are pretty much good to go only. Let's see, we should be able to hear about the website cloner being live, I guess, pretty soon.